Let's let this market open up here. And here's my concern right now, guys, is with this big rally that we're seeing, VIX is basically unchanged. So, at least right now, right here on the opening of the market, I can tell you that the market is not believing this rally just based on VIX. All right, our Apple spread is up at $2. We bought this towards the end of the day on Friday at $1.60. So, if we can get another 20, 30 cents, I'm not opposed to taking half of that off here. And Amazon, the put spread that we sold at $2 was the 1750, 1745 put spread this week, is trading about $1.50. So again, we get a little bit more there. I'm not opposed to taking half off. In this type of market trade, this type of market environment, I think we have to keep it really close to the vest.